Okay, hello from Excel Wizard. Today is Advent of Code 2015, day 10. Elves look, elves say. Okay, let's see the puzzle here. So day 10, elves look, elves say. So we have like, today we playing a game called Look and Say. For example, 211 read as this is 212 and 21 here, and this one become like 12 and 21. Look and say are generated literally using previous value to input next step. So this is the sample starting from 1, and this is 1 1, and then from this 1 1 we call it 2 1, and then become 2 1 here, and then we have 1 2 and 1 1 and continue. So start with digit in your puzzle, apply this process 40 times. What is the length of the result? So this is our input here, just copy and paste into Excel. Just put it here. So to do this, we have to replace the number into like something like 2131, and then we should start replacing by the longest length of the number, like 1111, 31, like that. So okay, I'm just start with sequence of 4 just in case here, and then we will create the number with this sequence. So I'm just use just let this one, let's see, is this, and then I'll just do the repeat. So repeat C by 2 row of C to get this, and this is like the number on each lane, and then I'll just do 2 call. It's like this, and then when we replace it, we want to replace it from the longest one. So this one, I'll just do this change to number first. Oh no, okay, this is Y here, and then I'll do the sort Y, sort by Y by minus Y here. So this is the sequence that we want to replace. Then if we like, okay, let's try this. Okay, wait. So this is like, just do count. So len, this is how much number we have here, and the len. So and the first one, which is left, this. Okay, so like this one become 1 1, and this is 1 2 1 3. So if I'm replacing, so I'm just do the substitute. Okay, I'll just wait. Substitute from this one, and okay, I have 3 1, right? So this by 3 1 here. Now, actually, the first 3 1 we should not consider something. So like in this case, it's fine, but we better replace to something else. So when we replace it next time, it won't replace itself. Like, I'm not sure. So I think if we do this way, we will get wrong result. So what I want to do is I want to replace this one to something else. So instead of replace 1 1 into 1 1 like this, I will replace into alphabet. So just like this. First one is len, is right, and then with this len I will use the char and plus 46 here. So 1 become A and 2 become B, C, and D here. And then followed by the, again, char of left on this. Again, plus 64 to get another A, B, C, D. Okay, like this. So this is more safer. And then we have to replace it back. So just use it here. This is char of this one plus 64. So this will replace it back like this. Then I just do this one. Okay, I think we have to like replace this for 40 times. So this one I just ship this here, and this is a sequence of 40. Then this one I just replace one by one. So I use reduce, starting from this, and then replace by all this number, log cell, lambda A, V, and then substitute A and V, and then we substitute by VLOOKUP of XLOOKUP of V, and still this one and this. Okay, I think we have to log cell here. This cross. So we replace that into this. And next we have to replace it back to number. So another reduce. Start here and then reduce from this log cell. So another lambda. I can reuse AV because the first one is already finished. But just to keep away from confusion, I'll just B and W here. B and W, and then again substitute B and W by XLOOKUP again. W on this. Do we need it? Oh, okay. I don't want to do lookup again, so I can use code of W minus 41, 64 here. Cross. So this one. Then I just like copy down. But here come the problem, because like if we check the length here, this is like beyond Excel limit. So Excel only limit text until like I think 2 power 15. This one, and this is like more than 32,000 length. So Excel cannot do this. So, and again, I don't see any 4 here, so it's just checking. I'm just checking here, like find 4 on all this. So it's all return value. That means we only reach number 3. We don't have 4. So this one I just use 3 only. And since I use all dynamic, so this one become dynamic. Then Excel doesn't work, so we have two choice here, VBA or Power Query. So I'm just gonna use Power Query first, and then I need to make this one as table. So I'm just gonna copy it in value here. Okay, just paste it here. And then this is another one, just paste value, and I'll just name this one as digit. So our F3, no, do you need it? I just change it to table better. Okay, change it to table, and Control T. Then this table is digit dig here, and then this is column D and alphabet here. Wait, no, this is A here. Again, this is digit and alphabet, and this table is this one is account, COUT, okay. Then I just bring this in Power Query, so out a PT. Okay, still waiting. Wow. Should be. Oh, don't know if this. Okay, just Power Query is just open. It's still loading. Okay, this is my Power Query, and I just. So this is my digit, and then I just duplicate this one, and another one is, I think, CO count. Okay. Oh, my Power Query screen is quite small here. So this one is CO. Then I need another blank query is from blank here. And I need input. Input is from this, copy and then paste it as text. So same as Excel. I just put this one as text here. Wait. Just small this one. And then I'll just do next step. In Power Query, reduce is similar to list accumulate. So I just do list dot accumulate here, but we start with list and we will replace table CO on column D first. So CO and D, this is our list, and then we replace from source. Then we need accumulator, which is come in this patrol S and L, and this is just a name. So seed is mean this one source here, and then list is this column D here, and then this is function caller like this. So just, and then we want to replace text replace, so text replace here. I will replace seed with list with L and replace by. Okay, now we want to replace the, okay, from digit we want to replace this one, but in Power Query there is no like XLOOKUP like that, but we can call it another way. So I'll just stop here, and then I'll just, okay, so like this one, this is how we call how we select the row from Power Query. So start with curly bracket, and then we have the square bracket with the column name and equal to that value. So I'm just gonna replicate it here. So we want CO here. So this is CO table, and then we want to select row from that one. So curly bracket, square bracket, and D is that column we want to choose, and D equal to 333. Like this, we will select the row. But to use this method, we must not have any duplicate one. So this is how we call the query, and then we want to select the column A. So this is record. So like this. So this is how we select. So just copy this and paste into this. But now our 333 is L. Okay, like this. And now we got this. Then we have to do replace again. So list.accumulate. And then now we need from the digit table. So dig here. And we want to replace alphabet. So this is A. And then this one become again seed and list. Then we want just copy all this one for text dot replace with. Now we want this one become digit dig, and then we want A that equal to L, and we will select column D here. And another close bracket should be no text. Oh, okay, close a lot. So the Power Query is very serious about what the data type. So this is number here, and this is text. Text on the left, number on the right. I can just change to text. Okay, and this one should work. No, okay. Okay, now we got like 333. And now we have to do this for 40 times. So again, list.accumulate. Now we want 40 times, so I create list by curly bracket 1.40. So this is 40 times, and we will start from source. So source. Then we need again list and seed, but this time I will change our variable. I think I will use A and N, which A is our seed and N is the number. And then now A become source here, so we want to redo the source here. So this one change to A, and another close bracket, and this is the number after we change. And then we need the length, so just text dot length. Okay, should be good. So this is our answer. Just copy and paste it here. Good, we have one gold star. And we want to continue part 2. Part 2 need, right? So you might also enjoy hearing John Conway thinking about this sequence. Okay, now start again with the digit in your puzzle. Apply this for 50 times. Okay, so we just change this number from 40 to 50, and a little bit longer, but good. So this is our number. So just paste it here and submit. Good. We have 2 gold star. Okay, I'll just return this 2 gold star here. So I'll just close the load here. And don't think this one. Okay. So let's see our answer before this again. So the answer is like, how much is this? 3 million. Is it? This one, part 2, right? So ship 1, yeah, 3 million. And I don't think that is, if we do in Excel, we have to like split for too many times. Excel not gonna work here. But the other way, like we can do in VBA, think. But I'm not really good at VBA and the Power Query work, so I think I'll just leave it like this. Just think Power Query is good enough. But there are another method with Power Query. Okay, just gonna try here, just alternative way here. With but with VBA, I'm just gonna do the same. So just like do the loop and keep replacing. Hi Eric, thanks for coming. Yeah, my life actually end fast. So this is another method with Power Query. So I'm just gonna start with sort again. I just duplicate this one. And this one I will call replace. And this will be called group, because I'm gonna use another method here, group here. So we start from this, and then I'm gonna do text to column, text to list, text to list here. So this one will split list into text into for one character into list, and then I'll just change this to table. So table from value here, we got table with the header column value here, and I'm gonna group this one. So table group on column value here, and then gonna start with column name is C in square bracket, and each underscore cross this one first. This one will group the same thing together. So one become like we have like 5 1 here. It's just show here. So we have like 4 or 5 1 here, but this one is grouped no matter what sequence is it. So we have 1 3 2 here, but if we want to group in sequence, so we have to use another thing here. So this is option group kind. Group kind, we have global and local, and default is global, just the same here. Another one is local, like this. So it's already grouped the thing that stay together. So we have 3 connected 1, so this is 3, and then 1 3 and 3 connected 2 again, and then this is 2 1. Now I like shorthand, so this one we can use 0 instead. And here we want to count how many rows in this one, so just do the table row count. Here we got number, so this is 3 now. Then I want to attach it to the, so this one become 3 1 here. So but I need to change this one to text. So text from cross and just leave and now we need the number from this, but this okay, our underscore is table here, so we want value here, so value, and when we select column it give us the list, and we want the first one or anyone in the list, so I just use select the first row, which is 0 here, and then just end with the previous one. So this one become 3 1, and then we got the C here, so we choose column C, so in square bracket and C, we got this, and then text.combine, combine to combine everything here. Oh, thanks Eric. So this is like one time. We need 5 times. And again, we use list.accumulate. List.accumulate. And square bracket 1 dot dot 40. We start from seed. So not seed, source. SOURCE, source. And then we again need seed and L equal and more than. Now we need to change this one sort into S from seed and close another bracket. Seems like it take longer than our replacing method, and that is expected. And then we need the length, text dot length here. Like I feel that it's longer. Okay, so this is another method. And I think just so another thing, I want to compare what method is faster, but I don't know how to do it in Power Query, because like I used to do like this. So I set the time, like insert here. Oh wait, I just do with another query. So I just use this let something as now, fixed time local now, like this, and then at the end I do another time, date time local now, and minus it together. But seem like Power Query is not do thing in order, so it's just do thing that they can do first. So the even I make this into first step, and then the last step I use this again, I minus it, it will become 0. So I don't know how to do this one in Power Query, but so just delete this one first. I need VBA to do this. So just like close first, and then I'll just load in new sheet. So this is repeat table here, replace, and this is load to table again. Oh, I think I better use the same number of loop. So this one become 40. Wait, come on. Okay, replace is only 40 is enough. Okay, close. So to time the Power Query, I need VBA, but I can't remember the code, so I need to open my post earlier. Yes, I will do the refresh in VBA, and I have the codes somewhere in my this one. I'm not sure. I think wait. Okay, this one, I think. This one, I have the code, and I'll just... Okay, this one is the code. Copy, and I'll just out F11 here, a new module, insert module here, this one. Then I think I'll need the another variable for Q is string here, which is my query name. And okay, I'll just set Q equal to, I think, replace first, replace. Then this one become this and Q. This one become this and Q here. So this one should work, and just run. So it will replace the query of Q. So this one replace use around 1.4 second. And another one is group. Group is take longer, 3.8 second. Okay. So just in case anyone interested, I'll just copy into the chat right now. So this is my code. Oh, it's over to. Okay, I just query. I just rename this one. Not sure, but I think later you need to. Cannot go through the. Okay, later I will share this code later. So I think that's it for today. So thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.